Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can install YouTube in HUAWEI. So to start, you will need to launch the app gallery and download the free GSpace application from it. So that's the app that allows you to emulate the Google services and use the apps that require those Google services at the first place. So open the app or launch the app once it is successfully installed. Then tap at the start option, grant the GSpace with all the permission it requires, then download all necessary kit, or the necessary kit in particular. Then continue giving the GSpace app all the permission it needs. Once you do that, as you can see, here is the YouTube app, so tap on it. Then you will be, after this ad, you will be forwarded to the emulated Google Play Store, which you can also use if you want to. So this app even allows you to install any Google Play Store applications, not only YouTube, but YouTube is a thing we are currently invested in. Over here, you will need to sign into your Google account as you would normally do on any other smartphone that actually supports those Google services. So let me quickly sign into my Google account off the screen. So here is the YouTube, here is the magical install button, so tap on it, let the YouTube app be downloaded and installed, which should not take a lot of time at all. And once the app is installed, you are pretty much ready to use it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. Excuse me, and bye-bye.